Bam! Okay guys, so I want to talk about some of the top symptoms of knowing that you are adapted. Here we go. Number one, it's very obvious. Your energy is stabilized, but the problem is people think this is going to like switch overnight, and it doesn't work like that. Adapting goes in 3-month chunks because your body, your glucose has been bouncing up and down your entire life on a standard American diet and just stressed out and all this kind of nonsense. So you have dysregulated blood sugar. You don't even know it. You don't know why you crash and all this stuff. With that said, it takes months to regulate your homeostasis, the balance of your body, your blood sugar, your hormones, your sleep, your lifestyle, your breathing, your posture, your workouts, your dietary measures. It doesn't happen overnight. So it looks like your blood sugar is stable, and then you go through this week of crazy, unstable blood sugar, menstrual cycle stress, life. You're not adapted yet. The body still just really knows glucose, and we really wanted to understand ketones over glucose. So having energy, it's not going to be like, oh, I have energy, I'm adapted. No, you're going to know after months of doing keto. Use a glucometer and make sure that your blood sugar is stable. Okay? And your insulin and your A1C. Now, other symptoms of knowing that you're adapted is really getting into deep sleep. A lot of people don't dream. They don't hit enough REM cycles, which means they don't hit enough deep sleep cycles because people do not connect to the circadian rhythm. So there are all different types of aspects to consider knowing that you're adapted. Like, I'm not farting anymore. My poop is sinking. People don't have, like, another symptom is just inflammation goes down. I know this because of me being a pro skater and breaking stuff all over the place, and bad knee and bad hip, and like the hip was getting really bad. I couldn't even sleep on my right side, and I'm actually leaning on my left, which I would never do before. I would never lean. So inflammation goes down. If you have rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, just inflammation, period, that shit goes down. You have good gut motility, and you make perfect little poopies. So other things you want to consider are your hormones, your reproductive hormones, men, your testosterone. Yeah, piss rock in the morning, gets good again. Your sex drive balances out. These are the things that you put together as the puzzle pieces that show you that you are adapted. It's beyond energy. So my protocol to adapt is all about getting all these systems in alignment, because if you don't, right, you guys don't have good gut motility, you've got a dysbiosis of the gut, you've got a lot of candida overgrowth, most of you do, a lot of you have SIBO. So it's not like you have to wait until that's fixed. You can actually use keto as a method to fix all of these issues. But when you're adapted, those things are addressed, because inflammation makes your blood sugar go crazy, which makes your insulin go crazy, and you are not going to drop body fat doing that, honey people, child. You're not going to have the energy, and you're not going to clear up the metabolic damage if you have pounding, if your hair's falling out the whole time because you're having low T3, thyroid hormone, and you think you're going to adapt? No. So knowing that you're adapted is, I sleep well. My reproductive hormonal system is great. If I don't have a period anymore, my adrenals are balanced. I'm chilling all day long. My skin quality is improving, and beyond measure, you have energy. And I'm out. StephaniePerson.com if you want to join my keto course, which is very cheap. It's a membership, monthly membership at $15 a month. I do consultations. I have a free Facebook fan page, which is called Stephanie the Business Person. And don't forget my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, and I put up a lot of info there every single day. And I'm out because I got some energy, and this, boom, is a mother-sucking business at 51, going on 52, 11 years on keto, and you can go look at my annoying video catalog and see it. And I'm out. Peace.